Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a wide variety of very beautiful, creative and elegant designs of hand embroidery, into which I have been sharing a extremely easy, exquisite and eye-catchy sleeve embroidery designs. But this video is a two-dimensional treat in itself, along with the different and stylized patterns and ideas of sleeve embroidery designs. You are also going to get different stylized patterns of stitching design ideas along with machine embroidery patterns. So before going into the further details, I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and beautiful ideas of hand embroidery. And one more thing, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent of making videos and sharing designs and creativity with you is to share some patterns and ideas along with the community of handwork, hand embroidery, and needlework. So if you are unable to get the desired outcome or the desired designs of your choices or interests, then please don't worry. No need to worry about it. You can explore on my channel where I have shared millions of designs of handwork, hand embroidery into different categorization like baby dresses, like Eastern dresses, Western dresses, on the basis of categorization of types of embroidery patterns, stitches of embroidery, and many more creativities. So stay blessed and keep watching my content, keep loving us, keep supporting us because with your love and support we can grow. Meet you soon in a new video.